G'day everybody, welcome to Pressure's Edge. My name's Rob and behind me we have my boat. This is a 29 foot Australian built Blackfin, 1993 Australian built Blackfin. I don't think there's any association whatsoever between the Australian manufacturer of the Blackfin boats back in the 90s and the American boats. American boats I believe are a lot bigger than this thing, but this was built on the Gold Coast in Australia back in 1993. So what's happened is I've had two breakdowns in this boat, essentially towed back twice. The last time I blew the leg, the gearbox on the top of the leg blew and had to be towed back 40 nautical mile, heading out to the reef, and just bang, and it was all over Red Rover, you know. So essentially that fishing trip didn't happen. Got back at 1 o'clock in the morning. Thankfully, you know, in Australia we rely on the Australian Volunteer Coast Guard. I'm a member of the Coast Guard. I do my trip sheets every time I go out, and I was just unfortunate. The leg and the motor and everything was serviced. It's just one of those things. So what I did was, when I got the boat out of the water, we had a look at the damage, and we had to make a call. What are we going to do? Are we going to go back to another Sterndrive? I'm going to buy a new Sterndrive. Am I going to put another leg on it and put all brand new running gear through the boat? No, I didn't want to go down that path. I looked at it, I looked very, very closely at it, but ultimately at the end of the day, Outboards won over. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about that in future episodes if you're interested in looking at that, my reasons behind it, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it. I've got naval architects involved. Because we can't get plans for the boat, we had to scan the boat. So we've scanned the boat. That's now with the naval architects. They're basically going to create a set of drawings for me, and then we're going to have a look at our laminating schedules and where we're going to place different things like fuel tanks. We're going to look at putting a gyro in it. Gyro, one of them things, those spinny things. They spin at 10,000 RPM and keep the boat stable. So we're going to have a look at one of those things, and we're going to rewire the boat from start to finish through that process as well. And look, I just hope you enjoy it. The whole idea is it's going to be a bit of fun. When we get to the end of this, we're going to be going and doing some serious fishing. Alrighty, so bear with me, like and subscribe, and I hope you get something out of it. Well, there you go, everybody. There's a bit of an introduction to the channel, to Pressure's Edge, and to the boat. You saw the towback. You saw what happened to the leg. It blew the top of that gearbox out. I'm assuming it's a gearbox. I don't know. The next episode is us pulling the floors, stringers, and the bulkheads out, just doing demolition work to the boat. basically getting it ready so that we can do a hull extension and add outboards. So come along for the journey, come along for the ride, and hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.